Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest debates in the world of investing: crypto versus stocks. Which one has the potential to make you a millionaire first? Stocks have been the go-to investment for decades, but crypto has exploded in recent years with stories of overnight millionaires. So, let's break it down and see which one could get you to that seven-figure mark faster. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos on investing and finance. Alright, first, let's talk about the tried and true stock market. Stocks have a solid track record, with many investors becoming millionaires by holding on to quality companies over the long term. Take companies like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft, for example. If you had invested just $1,000 in Amazon in the late 90s, that investment would be worth over $1 million today. The S&P 500, which tracks the top 500 companies in the US, has historically returned about 8 to 10% annually. So, over time, compounding can lead to serious gains. Let's do the math. If you invest $10,000 in a solid stock portfolio earning 10% per year, in 30 years, you'd have about $175,000. But here's the kicker. If you kept adding to that investment regularly, say $500 a month, you could hit $1 million in just 25 years or less. The beauty of stocks is in their relative stability and predictability compared to crypto. If you're patient and consistent, you can build wealth steadily over time with much less risk. Now, let's talk about the new kid on the block: cryptocurrency. The hype around crypto, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum, has created millionaires in what seems like the blink of an eye. In fact, if you had invested $1,000 in Bitcoin back in 2011, at its peak in 2021, you'd have over $60 million. Crypto is incredibly volatile, but has the potential for insane returns over a short period of time. People are drawn to crypto because it's decentralized, it's part of the future of technology, and the growth potential is massive. So, which is better, stocks or crypto? It depends on your risk tolerance and time horizon. Stocks are generally considered less risky. Yes, the market has crashes, but it's always bounced back over time. In contrast, crypto is still in its early stages. While the returns can be life-changing, it's far more speculative. One regulation change or technology shift could drastically affect its value. Let's put it this way: stocks are like slow and steady wins the race. Crypto is more like playing the lottery: huge payoff potential, but you're taking on much more risk. So, which will make you a millionaire first? Here's the truth: if you want to play it safe and sleep well at night, investing in stocks is your best bet. It may take 20 to 30 years, but with consistent investing, you can realistically become a millionaire. But if you're willing to take a risk and you have money you're comfortable losing, crypto could get you there much faster. The important thing is to never invest more than you can afford to lose, especially in crypto. And here's my advice: why not have a diversified portfolio? Invest in both. Have the majority of your money in solid stocks or ETFs, but allocate a smaller portion to cryptocurrencies for that high-risk, high-reward potential. At the end of the day, the choice between stocks and crypto depends on your goals, risk tolerance, and how fast you want to build wealth. Stocks offer steady, reliable growth, while crypto offers high-reward potential with more risk. Personally, I'm a fan of having a little bit of both. But I want to know, what do you think? Are you team stocks or team crypto? Drop a comment below and let me know your strategy for becoming a millionaire. And before you go, make sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more finance and investing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.